Hello guys, I'm Insin and I'm here to show you how to connect and demonstrate the forward reverse circuit. So as you can see, I'm putting my lines into the circuit breaker to avoid damages in our circuit. So after you put some lines into the circuit breaker to source let's put our circuit breaker to the or connect to the magnetic contactor. So 2 to L1, 4 to L2, and circuit breaker 6 to L3 magnetic contactor. So after you put into the magnetic contactor, let's connect our magnetic contactor to our overload relay. So T1 to overload relay 1 and T2 to overload relay 2 and T3 to overload relay 3. So after you put into the connect to overload relay, let's connect our overload relay to our motor. So I'm using the Y or star diagram so that our motor will start. So line 1 to U1, then U1 to X1, then X1 to U2, then U2 to X2, then X2 to Y2, then Y2 to W2. After finishing the line 1, let's proceed to the line 2. So line 2. So line 2 to U1, then U1 to V2, then V2 to Y1. After that, let's proceed to line 3. So line 3 to W1, then W1 to W2. Then W2 to W1. And that's it. And after connecting the Y or star circuit diagram in our motor, let's connect our magnetic contactor 2 in the forward reverse. So let's assume the magnetic contactor 1 is our forward, then the magnetic contactor 2 is our reverse. So let's connect. So line 1 to line 1 of the magnetic contactor. So line 1 to magnetic contactor to line 1 magnetic contactor. Then line 2 of magnetic contactor 1 to line 2 to magnetic contactor 2. Then the line 3 of magnetic contactor 1 is to magnetic contactor 2 line 3. And after that, let's connect our magnetic contactor 2 to our overload relay. So magnetic contactor 2 T1 is connected into the overload relay number 2. And magnetic contactor to line T2 is connected to overload relay number 1. Then lastly, the T3 of magnetic contactor 2 is connected into the overload relay 3. And after finishing the forward reverse let's connect our second diagram, which is the forward reverse. So line 1 to overload relay 95, then 96 to stop, switch push button stop, and after that is push button stop to forward switch button, the green one. And then forward switch button, the green one, is to the magnetic contactor 2, the 21. Then after that, the 22 of magnetic contactor 2 is connected to our magnetic contactor coil A2. Then A1 of magnetic contactor 1 into the line 2. Then after that, let's connect our the 1314 magnetic contactor 1. So 13 to start, push button, then 14 to start, push button, after putting our switches, let's try to put now our reverse push button. So reverse push button is connected to stop to push button reverse. So as you can see here, put in reverse. Then after that, let's connect our reverse push button to magnetic contactor 1, which is the 21. And after that, let's proceed to 22 to magnetic contactor 2 coil to A2. And after that is A2 to A1, then A1 to line 2. But I'm putting my line into line 3 so that it will consume more to put in the line 2 and line 3. Line 1 and line 2. Then let's try now to put the 13 and 14 of magnetic contactor 2. So 13 to push button reverse into reverse, and 14 into push button reverse That's it. So let's try to on or start this thing so that we can check if it is running. So as you can see, it is now running and stop. And let's try reverse. So it's reversing now. Then stop. Let's try off the switch or the circuit breaker. Then let's try to off this thing so that we can connect our lights. So after connecting my lights, so let's try to on this. Let's try to on our machine so that we can see the light of my work. When I press this one, it will start to light, the green one, to forward. And then in the reverse, so as you can see in my board, the light of my bulb is not working, so I'm putting another light. So when I try to on this thing, the reverse light is on. And let's try that light of trip. When I trip the overload, the light will on. So as you can see, it is on now, and I will reverse. And that's all for my forward reverse diagram. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you learned for this lesson or in my discussion. Thank you and God bless.